welcome back to the GRE How To channel, where we make studying for the GRE a lot more tolerable. Today we're going to go over 4 quick tips on how to do really well on your reading comprehension. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, so why might I be so dolled up today? Well, it's a special day. I am graduating! Today is graduation day at the University of Michigan Ross School of Business, and it is kind of crazy that today is the day. If you are interested in an MBA or want me to do a video on the pros and cons of an MBA, put MBA in the comments below and I will give that to you. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about reading comprehension, and since it's graduation day, I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. I have 4 tips for you on how to make sure that you are doing the best that you can on the reading comprehension. Step number 1 is super important. Do not panic. I think that sometimes when we see like a big block of text and you're already exhausted from the, eternity working on all these other problems, the last thing you want to do is, read long blocks of text. It's crazy. So the first thing to do is just stop, breathe, don't panic, and realize this is an opportunity to show ETS that you know how to read. Steps number 2 and 3 go together. Step number 2 is skim the passage. And at the same time, you need to be doing step number 3, which is getting a sense of the structure and what this block of text is trying to achieve. Is it trying to persuade you? Is it trying to inform you? Is it trying to do something else? Keep that in mind as you're skimming the text and get a sense of what is happening in each paragraph. That's going to be very helpful for you when you see the answer choices. And step number 4, chances are it's going to ask you about certain details of the text, and what's really important is don't go straight to the line that it's referring you to. Look at the lines before and after it so you can get a great sense of what the context is, so that you aren't thrown off by some of the answer choices that look like could be the answer, but it's actually a trick, a trap. To recap, first, don't panic. Number 2 and 3, skim the body of text and look for the purpose of this body of text. And number 4, when you are looking at specific lines, look up and down for the context. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to go on this awesome journey where we're trying to conquer the GRE, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed. Okay, so next time you see me, I will have an MBA. Woo-hoo! Okay.